We have an exciting video for today, as we are gonna learn how to find crypto whales, look at their wallet to see what coins they are investing in, and at the end, I'm gonna show you a wallet worth $7 billion. Yes, you heard it right, $7 billion, to see if we can mimic what they do. Honestly, we can do all the technical analysis in the world, but these are on-chain analysis, and the goal for us, planktons and shrimps, is that to see if we can find out their buying and selling behavior and trade with these whales, not against them. Whale watching, or so-called spying a whale, is literally like looking into a millionaire or billionaire's bank account. But know that most cryptocurrency blockchain and their transactions are publicly viewable, and everyone can watch it through the blockchain explorer such as etherscan.io or BSC scan. With that, all of this is for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice. And now, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, first, let's review the process. Let's go to coinmarketcap.com and then find a coin. You know, in this case, I'm gonna scroll down and go to PancakeSwap. Here, click on explorers. So BSC scan is like a blockchain explorer where you can see detail about the contract holder, transaction, and so on. So scroll down and click on holders tab, and usually top 20-30 addresses are like burn addresses, you know, addresses that are tied to exchanges and, you know, owners and those kind of stuff. So we scroll down to find like you know, addresses that are for individuals per se. So here you see this is a burn address, this is a Binance, you know, address, and then we scroll down and we get to like these 45. I'm just opening it up in another tab to show you how I'm gonna go about, you know, doing that. I'm gonna open like few of them to see if we can find a whale. So this is all in, you know, I'm not gonna look at those that are all ins. I wanna look at ins and outs like this one. So here is the address of this wallet. I copy this address, and now I go to a tool called zapper.fi. I paste this address, and then it is thinking, and it's gonna show me net worth of this address. So 1.692, almost like $2 million wallet, but this is only holding cake, and that is not a wallet that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna take a look at, that was it. So I'm gonna look at others, copy, paste, wallet, cake. So usually for bigger coins like this one, I scroll down and I go to the next page and then take a look at like top 98, 97, 99, 100. Let's open 95 and 96. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I copy the address, I go here, I paste, and wait for them to fetch the data. $342,000 worth cake and BNB. Nope, I'm not interested in this one either. In, out, copy. Okay, 2.29 million. So this is a pretty big wallet. Here you can go to NFT to see if they hold any NFTs. So here in history, you can see all the transactions. You see today, as of time of me recording this video, which is July 25th, and 6:26, literally like 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, these were the transactions. They bought BNB, they got BUSD, which is stable coin, and BSW. You know, you can take a look at these and see what they are doing, and this guy was pretty active. And now if you go to wallet, here is the top holding of this wallet. So Ethereum, $267,000 Ethereum, and then they hold USDT, which is stable coin. If you look at price, it is $1, 138. USDC, again stable coin, $6,000. BUSD, $1 stable coin, $39,000. DAI, $1, $21,000. They hold Sushi, Uniswap. They are into DeFi space. Yep. So that was pretty much the process. You literally find the coin, and then like this, PancakeSwap for instance, and then you click on the Explorer tab, and it brings you to Blockchain Explorer, and then you go to Holders tab. Then you better skip like first 100 addresses, and then start just open it up and copy the address like what we did here. You copy the address from here and you paste it to zapper.fi and take a look at wallet and asset that they are holding, and see if there is a pattern that you can find it out. So now you might be a type of investor who prefer to find a whale who is investing in like meme coins or trending or hot coins. So in that case, you go to CoinMarketCap trending page, and then you have trending coins or biggest gainer, or I don't know, recently added or most visited coins, right? So in this case, you go click on, let's say, baby cake, right? You click on baby cake, and then here click on Explorer, click on Holders to get to top holders, and then same process. You just open them one by one, you go to the next page till you get to your whale. In that case, you can find your whale who is, that they invested in like baby cake, is like a meme coin and is trending and is hot. So you might want to see what other coins that they are investing in, because they are into this game, right? And also I like to give you another tool called Listing Spy. Go to listingspy.net. On Listing Spy, you can go on top trading volume tokens drop down menu, and then here you can go with either Uniswap, SushiSwap. Now I go with like top PancakeSwap tokens to see what are the top 100 tokens on PancakeSwap by 24 hours traded volume. So now if I scroll down and I see all these coins, if I want to find and dig deep into them, and now you can see baby cake here as well. So if you click on this icon, which is BSC scan logo, it automatically pulls the BSC scan Explorer for me, and then I can go to holder and same scenario. But this makes it a lot easier to find coins, and at the end the goal is whale for these coins based on the trending volume or if they are hot or not. So also you can based on the percentage of gain, you can go with like highest gainers versus losers or whatever. On 7 days baby cake made 554%, which is awesome. So you might want to find a whale for baby cake, because that this I know baby cake specifically because they literally started like 5 days ago. So if there is a whale, maybe they exited out of like baby cake and they invested in another new coin. So what that coin is, you might want to find that out. And now this brings us to a wallet that I promised to show you, which worth $7 billion. Yes, you heard it right, $7 billion. Let's take a look. And here is the wallet. Now is $7,141,629,000. So to put it into perspective, let's compare and let's see what does $7 billion means. Quick Google search. Celebrities wealth. Top 50 richest celebrities. Okay, George Lucas, $10 billion. Steven Spielberg, $7.5 billion. Number 2. Kanye West, number 3, $6.6 billion. $7.1 billion. Literally, this guy or girl is richer than Kanye West. Oprah Winfrey, $3.5 billion, is like twice as Oprah Winfrey. Kim Kardashian, $1.4 billion. Man, like, I don't know, Jay-Z, Kim Kardashian, and Oprah all together have less than this wallet. Wow. Now we know the scale that we are talking about. Let's get into the wallet. So now we can see top asset that this guy or girl is holding. So BUSD is a stable coin. USDC, stable coin. USDT, stable coin. DAI, stable coin. PAX, stable coin. So 3.7 billion, 1.7 billion, 1 billion, 192 million. So that's translate into 3.7 is 4, that is 5.4, that is 6.4, that is 6.5. This is, I mean, let's say this, yeah, is almost like one. No, I mean 6.5. 6.5 billion out of these $7 billion is on stable coin. And a stable coin means that they are pegged to $1, so they cannot go up or down. And also other asset that they hold is Link, Uniswap, they have SushiSwap, they have BAT, they are into like DeFi. So what does this tell us? You know, they have 6.5 billion out of $7 billion on stable coin. This is sort of like a hedge against the market fluctuation, meaning that they might know that the market is about to crash and they have their coins or asset swapped into like a stable coin to be safe against these, you know, market downturn. Or I don't know, you know, this is a smart money. So the goal was to trade with these whales, not against them, and learn what they think, learn, you know, their investing philosophy and see what they do, you know. So this is just me rambling about this wallet, right? So you do your own research and see, you know, what is going on. So this is not FUD, and this is only for entertainment purpose only. And you know, you have to do your own research. You now know how to go and find these like whales, you know, pull 10 of them, see what they are investing in, and you know, see if you can mimic what they're buying or selling, you know, find out what the way they think. Again, this is smart money, you know, they are one step ahead of us. You know, this wallet is $7 billion, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this, and if you guys want me to, you know, find another whales and bring it up and, you know, talk about them to see if we can find, you know, a pattern or what they think about, you know, these market going up and down and this crypto which is Wild West. So yeah, with that, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and with that, talk to you guys in the next one.